Montego Bay. My friends already told me, they're like, I'm so jealous that you're down there. It seems like such a nice spot.
I've been to a lot of places and Jamaica's just like so different from the rest. It's just the people are a lot friendlier and that's kind of what makes it. Sometimes they suggest things that you don't even know you need, so.
I agree. The staff has been wonderful.
I love the room I've been staying in.
The beds are really comfy and I really like the balcony too.
Everything about it is clean, friendly.
I really like the Sea Grill, which is right by the seashore. You could just taste that it was fresh.
The pool with the castle is my favorite because it has a lot of 2 water slides that are really fun.
Well, it's nice and refreshing. It's great to have the swim up bar.
It's nice that it's a kids resort, but it's not just geared towards kids.
Yeah, I'm definitely going to tell my parents to bring me back here.
I will definitely recommend this place to people. I love it here.